Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G50 and today we are going to check the highest volume level of this device. So in my hand I got decibel meter, and with this device we are going to measure the sound level and the decibels. Right now I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, our device is activated and we are going to set it up to the maximum volume mode. There it is. And right now this device registers only the highest volume level than the previous one. So I will put this device close to the speaker, set up this device at the highest quality, and right now I'm gonna also turn on the highest volume level. And let's start. Okay, as you can see, our device reached 111.8 decibels, and basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.